Now, after block element, let's talk about inline element. Inline element, okay, also appear to continue on the same line as their neighboring element. Okay, examples of inline element which we have used already is the anchor. Okay, the anchor, the bold, the emphasis, and the image. That means you can put an anchor in line of the element. It doesn't start on a new line, so it's not a block letter. If you want an anchor or a letter you are a word you are trying to bold, or a sentence you are trying to bold, come on a new line, you are either supposed to put this anchor or this bold or this emphasis in a paragraph. So you bring a paragraph and then you bring the anchor. In this case, the paragraph is going to what? House the anchor. Other than that, anchor, bold, emphasis, or image does not what? Does not come to the next line. It continues on the same line as we have used in the previous chapters of this course.